In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for newsletter writing. This is a quick way to generate engaging content for your email subscribers. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help write a newsletter. For example, I might type, "Write a weekly newsletter about healthy lifestyle tips." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a newsletter draft, usually including an introduction, main sections, and a closing message. If I want to customize the newsletter, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the target audience, topic, or tone. For example, I might type, "Write a newsletter for small business owners with marketing tips." Claude can also help organize the content with headings, bullet points, and calls to action. Once the newsletter looks good, I can copy the content and paste it into my email marketing platform. And that's it. I've successfully written a newsletter using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.